Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 minus 1 bracket 5 minus 1. So let's start with today's video solution. So most people mess up this simple calculation because they solve it like 5 minus 1 as 4 and 5 minus 1 as 4 and put the multiplication sign in between and their answer is 16. Which is a wrong answer and wrong approach. Yes, you heard it right. When in an expression you have given multiple operations like subtraction, bracket, and in bracket there is a subtraction, then you have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you call. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. But you have to always solve from left to right. Now, first solve the bracket 5 minus 1 as 4. So 5 minus 1 and there is a multiplication sign. Now, as per BODMAS rule, if we have subtraction and multiplication, we have to give priority to this multiplication. So 5 minus 1 times 4 is 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So what is the correct answer? 1, not 16. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.